there, my friend. My name is Christina Rafano from NursingSOS.com, and today we're going to do something a little bit different than I normally do here on my channel. But I just got done with a live tutoring call inside our NursingSOS membership community, and I just want to share a part of this for you because I think it's going to help you with your exams in nursing school. I really just thought this part of the live call was so good and could be a huge encouragement to you. I walked through a big win that one of our students had, and I hope this encourages you. Check it out. So right before I jumped on this live call, I actually got a text message from one of our NursingSOS members who rocked her exam. Now, like totally smashed it. Not just passed or barely passed, but completely smashed her exam. Now, I want to talk about this because just a couple of weeks ago, this student and I had been working together, helping her get her study plan together because she had not done so well on her exams leading up to this that she had wanted to, and she was thinking she was going to fail this term. She was not thinking that she was going to pass nursing school. And so she reached out to me and we came up with a study plan, and I helped her through that. And then she texted me this morning saying that she absolutely crushed it. And get this, my friend, now she only needs to fail her final exam to pass the class. So it is completely crazy that you can set yourself up to only have to get a failing grade on the final. Like, she can fail her final and still pass the class. Now, this is so important because when we are in final season, when you are going through nursing school and you think that you are just down and out and you can't pass, that is absolutely not true, my friend. I want you to push past that fear and push past that feeling that you can't pass, because if you just keep going and keep trying and keep studying, even though you think that the odds are against you, even though you think that you're going to fail, you can keep going and keep studying and make it through. I see this happen all the time. This was just the most recent example because she literally texted me just like this morning, right before this call. So, but this happens all the time. I hear this from nursing students constantly, that you think you're going to fail an exam or you think you're going to fail the term, but you just keep going. Like, reach out to a mentor, reach out to a friend, reach out to someone for encouragement, just like she reached out to me to get encouragement, and I helped her get a study plan down so that you can pass. Like, you can absolutely do this, but you've got to put in the work, you've got to study, you've got to reach out to people to help. You can make it happen. So this is such a great example of getting past the kind of mindset of like, I can't do this or I'm going to fail. We don't want to get stuck there, my friend. We do not want to get stuck in that place, because you absolutely can pass your exams, you can pass your finals, and you can pass this term. So I encourage you to reach out to me, reach out to someone if you need help, if you need a study plan, if you need help through nursing school. I'm absolutely here to help you through that. So let's go. I am so stoked to help you pass nursing school. I hope that story encourages you, because it was a huge encouragement to me. So my friend, I hope that this video encouraged you. And of course, if you liked it, do all the things, please. Hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. Hit that like button. Leave a comment below to let me know that you loved it. You can write love in the comments below, because that's what we do here on my channel. And of course, my friend, as always, go become the nurse that God created only you to be. And I will see you over there in that next video.